Hello guys, Sam here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As an autistic person, my channel is a safe place to discuss DIYs, showcase my artwork, and much more. Follow me on my social media platforms at Instagram, Hello DIY Sam, TikTok, Samantha Collado 0, and Twitter, Sam Hello 19. If you enjoy my content, please leave a drop like button, a comment, and don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. Peace. Hey guys, and good morning. Sam here. So for today's video, I'm going to create a DIY flower vase. And the materials that I have is a Pringle canister, and I love Pringles, scissors, fake flowers, tape, construction paper in different colors, and a marker. So I'll be back with part 2. Alright guys, I'm back with part 2 and let's begin. So guys, the first thing I'm doing is taking the Pringle canister, if I'm saying that correctly, and then wrapping around the pink construction paper. Then I'm taking the 2 sides of the paper to fold it, and then taking the end of the scissor to make sure it's nice and secure. Then I'm taking the tape, like I said, to make sure it's nice and secure. Then I'm taking the blue marker because I was trying to figure out a cute design. So I came up with just a simple heart. Finally, I'm taking the fake flower, and then you have yourself a DIY flower vase. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and peace.